Hello, and welcome to the Abundance Academy on the importance of setting clear financial goals and how to achieve them. We all have financial goals, whether it's buying a home, paying off debt, or saving for retirement. In this video, we'll share practical tips on how to set clear financial goals and take steps to achieve them. But before we dive in, we want to remind you to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more content like this in the future. Let's get started. The first step in achieving your financial goals is to create a budget. A budget helps you track your finances and live within your means. To create a budget, start by listing all of your sources of income and all of your monthly expenses, including rent or mortgage payments, utilities, groceries, and any other bills you may have. Then, subtract your expenses from your income to see how much money you have left over each month. Another important step in achieving your financial goals is to build an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a savings account that you can use to cover unexpected expenses like car repairs, medical bills, or job loss. To build an emergency fund, start by setting a goal for how much you want to save. A good rule of thumb is to aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Once you have a goal in mind, set up a separate savings account and start making regular contributions. If you have debt, paying it off should be a top priority in achieving your financial goals. To pay off debt, start by making a list of all of your debts, including the balance, interest rate, and minimum monthly payment. Then, prioritize your debts based on the interest rate. Focus on paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first, while continuing to make minimum payments on your other debts. Once you've paid off your highest interest debt, move on to the next one and continue the process until all of your debts are paid off. This is known as the debt snowball method, and it's a great way to stay motivated and see progress as you pay off your debts one by one. Saving for retirement is another important step in achieving your financial goals. To save for retirement, start by finding out if your employer offers a retirement savings plan, such as a 401k or 403(b). If so, enroll in the plan and contribute as much as you can, up to the maximum allowed by the IRS. If your employer doesn't offer a retirement plan, consider opening an individual retirement account, IRA, and making regular contributions. Investing is another important step in achieving your financial goals. By investing your money, you can potentially earn higher returns than you would with a savings account or CD. However, investing also comes with risks, so it's important to invest wisely and diversify your portfolio. Start by educating yourself about different investment options, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Consider working with a financial advisor who can help you create an investment plan that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Finally, it's important to track your progress towards your financial goals. By tracking your progress, you'll be able to stay motivated and make sure that you're on track to achieve your goals. We hope you found these tips helpful in achieving your financial goals. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe to the Abundance Academy for more content on personal finance, investing, and wealth building. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.